we have technical support. Imagine mobile support. This red number is for teachers. It's for teacher support only. For students, here is their WhatsApp number. Share it with students for their support. Dr. Walid asks about getting the attendance report showing student attendance percentage. For the report, we will see this. I will show a previous session. Here is a previous session. This session ends. Go to the three dots. Select View Reports to see the report. For students, here is the WhatsApp number. Take a picture and give it to students to contact technical support. Now, Dr. Walid is asking about getting the attendance report, and if it shows the student's attendance percentage, whether it's 100% or less, it looks like this. We will enter, and I will bring up a session from previous ones. Go to the circle with three dots. View Reports. The report appears like this. There are 15 attendees, right? One person joined for just 2 minutes. They might have joined at the wrong time. Then go and do View Report. Click View Report, and it shows the name of the student or teacher who attended. Notice it shows when they joined. Regarding the attendance report, we will come. I will show a previous session. This session ends. I go to the three dots. It says View Reports. The report appears like this. One person joined for 2 minutes, possibly at the wrong time. Then I will View Report. Click View Report, showing the attendee's name. It shows when they joined. Joined at 3:16 p.m., left at 7:13 p.m. It shows total time spent, 3 hours. Some stayed 4 hours, some 1 hour. It provides details for each trainee. There are 15 attendees, right? This is what I have. The important thing is that one person joined for just 2 minutes. They might have joined at the wrong time or something. Then I come from here and do something called View Report. I click on something called View Report, and here it shows you the name of the student or the name of the teacher who attended the training. Notice here, it shows when they joined. Here, it shows that the person joined at 3:16 p.m. and left at 7:13 p.m., right? And it gives you the total time spent in the session or the lecture, which is 3 hours. You will notice that some stayed for 4 hours and some stayed for 1 hour. So it provides all the details for each trainee individually. Now, regarding each trainee, what do we have? In this case, if I want to export this report and have it as an Excel file or a PDF file, what do? I come here and it says Export Reports. It gives us two types. The first type is printable, which is the PDF. What does each trainee bring? Something. If I want to pull this report and get it in an Excel file or a PDF file, what do? Export reports. There are two types. The first type is printable, the PDF, and the second type is called export to CSV, like Excel. The first one here is PDF, printable, and the second one is like Excel. Go to the printable option and click on it. A screen will appear showing the names, the join times, the leave times, and the total time spent. The second type is called export to CSV, like Excel. The first one here is PDF, printable, and the second one is like Excel. Go to the printable option and click on it. A screen will appear showing the names, the join times, the leave times, and the total time spent. Press Ctrl and P to print. Choose PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF to ensure you are exporting it in PDF format. Click on the word print and it will bring up a screen. A screen will appear, as you can see. You will be greeted by the screen that contains the names, the time of joining, the time of leaving, and the total time spent. You will then use the keyboard, press Ctrl and P to print. Then you will choose PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. After that, you will click Print, and a screen will pop up. Choose the attendance report. You will click Save, and then you will have the attendance report saved as a PDF file. You can take your time. You can use Ctrl P here to print it out and choose Desktop or Downloads. Choose Drive D or C, then you will save it. Write the name Attendance Report, and then click Save. This is how to export the report to, and it tells you, what do you want to display? You say, well, I want the attendance report. So you click Save. You have the attendance report saved as a PDF file. You can take your time with this. You can use Ctrl P to print it out. Then you specify whether you want it on your desktop or in the Downloads folder. Just choose the location that suits you. Whether it's on Drive D or C, there's no problem at all. Then you will save it. Write the name here, which is Attendance Report, and then click Save. This is how you export the report as a PDF. You print it out and specify whether you want it on your desktop or in the Downloads folder. Just choose the location that suits you. Whether it's on Drive D or C, there's no problem at all. Then you will save it. Write the name here, which is Attendance Report, and then click Save. This is how I export the report. In PDF format, okay, I want the report in Excel now. And the Excel is also very good. Then click on Export to CSV. Here it is. And when I click, you will notice that it will download down here in this format. It will download here at the bottom right. What is it? The file is in CSV. If I come here and open it like this and do view in folder or view in folder, he is downloading the CV file. Here, the file is being downloaded in the downloads folder. Where did this file download? In downloads or in the downloads folder? So you will come and open the file, just like any regular Excel file. All right, here it is. Adam, is it wrapped here? And you come here. If you want to change the data from this format to something else and you want to move it to the right, you will go ahead and click on something called it comes out to me, it comes out to me. You choose from it the option, this option, to change the sheet from right to left. What will happen? The data will be here, and then you will go ahead and do this. All right, expand it, but that's it, right? Expand the columns so you can see, expand it so the data shows. Okay, no problem. You choose from it, which is this option, sheet. By sheet from the banner, turn from right to left. That's it. The data will be here. And then you will come and do this, expand it, expand the columns so you can see, expand it so the data shows. And what about the name? The name column, sort alphabetically. What does the name mean? This, the gossip column is like yours. See, the gossip column is all about forgetting what it is, the column tool for the one who attended it. You can come here to the sort menu and do what? Sort alphabetically. You go to this menu called sort and tell it to sort from A to Z here so that the order is ascending or in alphabetical order. You will see this message when you do that. When this message comes up, just say yes, sort it, and choose a regular sort. Here it is. You will notice that it has sorted it for you. Letter A is now present here. All right, so here it shows you, for example, Amira, Asma, and then the letter B, the letter Tha. It gives you the alphabetical order. This is the order that you will need. All right, about the academic record you have. What about the academic record you have? This is regarding the data. Now, you will come to the file menu. You select the file menu and then you do save as in the same place. But here, in the type option, you choose the first option called Excel Workbook. Choose this option. It's very important so that the file is actually an Excel file. Then you write here, for example, the word report or taqrir, all right? And then what do? You say save. You click on the word save, right? All right. I had named it report before, but I will name it report 442 for distinction. You know, if you go to the downloads, you will find the file here, which is what, is this the Excel file you're seeing? Really? This is the Excel file, the file that the system was showing, and it was named this way, which is a type of data. We save it later as an Excel file, not in the way I explained to you. This is the file which contains this data. So now I have what? The attendance report, we got it once in PDF format, and we got it once in Excel format. Is that clear for you? Or are there any details in this part? Is this regarding the attendance report? Do you have any questions about the attendance report? Okay, great. All right, the attendance report, as I explained to you, should be done after the lecture has ended, meaning the lecture must be over. All right, God willing, we will pause for the Maghrib prayer. And after the Maghrib prayer, God willing, we will see together how to manage the session, from within. I mean, when I join along with the students, how do we manage the session from inside, from within the lecture itself? So, God willing, we will pause for the Maghrib prayer. God willing, we will return, God willing, at 5:45. We will continue, God willing,